Welcome guys in this new lecture of image processing using OpenCV and Python. In previous lecture we saw how to create an image and then filled it with any random color. Now in today's lecture we are going to see how to create a line, how to draw a line on any image, over any image. So I've created a new file here and I am going to need some lines from the previous code. So let me copy paste these three lines first. So this is the image on which I want to draw a line. So I'm writing one variable line underscore img, and then for drawing a line, CV provide me with a function that is dot line, and there are certain parameters that I need to pass. The first one is image, then I have to pass the starting point of the line, the ending point of the line, the color of the line, and the thickness of the line. As you can see here, basically the starting and ending point are the coordinates, xy coordinates. So what I'll do, I'll create some variables here. So let me write the starting point. The starting point, you can choose any x and y coordinate value. So I am taking 200 comma 200. So these are nothing but 200 on x and 200 on y coordinate points. Similarly, I have to take the end point. So you can take any end point. I am taking it as say 450 comma 10. Then I need to give the color of the line. So what I'll do, I'll copy paste the color from the previous code. These were the RGB combination for orange color. So let me paste it here. And then I have to give the thickness of the line, how thick I want the line to be drawn. So I'm taking it as 9. Now let's copy paste the image show and im and wait key function also. It will help to skip some typing time here. And I'm renaming this output window as line on an image. You can name it anything. Now I will pass all these parameters into the line function. So I have to write a start underscore pt, first image, then a start underscore pt, then endpoint, and then color, and then thickness. So you can also pass all these values directly without writing them onto any variable. That will also do. All set. Now we are all ready to execute. So let's run this. So this is how you can create one line of thickness 9. The color is orange. The starting point is 200 comma 200 and the ending point is 450 comma 10. So this is how you can create a line here, and you have to understand the coordinate system for OpenCV. Top left is 0 comma 0, bottom right is 512 comma 512, because we have created a 512 comma 512 box. So this was all about how to create a line in this lecture, and we'll meet in the next lecture. Thank you.